I am in favor of Indian media is biased. How we will say that Indian journalism is biased? How we will say? On which reason I say? Because if you see the news, some news you will see that the news reporting is not done by the fact. So mostly the reason is that because the in our especially Indian media is opinion based and mostly run by the corporate sectors, political leaders. So they should report for factually and ground with ground realities. But due to this advertisement, they are bound. They are running away from that their main duties. Now I want to tell you with some examples. Mostly media house, mostly Indian media is in favor of government, are favor of Indian government. You might have seen in the farmer agitations, media was choosing only the negative point of the agitating farmers. They are not reporting as per the factual, or they are not showing the ground realities. They were projecting the farmers as a terrorist, as a Khalistani, only unsocial element, like unsocial element. But that was not the realities. They were in really sitting for their some task. It may be some peoples may entered in the that agitations, but as a bulk, we cannot say that that was captured by the unsocial element. But that was the Indian media that was projecting that agitations in front of the nation and in front of the world through their reportings that this is captured by the unsocial element, and there are only a few peoples, only a group of peoples from some parts of Punjab and Haryana and nearby around surrounding of New Delhi. Whenever anyone, any organizations, any social group start to stand against the group, against the especially government, the Indian media project that also in a negative way. We can see the example of wrestlers agitations. We can see the example of in student protest also, because against unemployment in Agniveer scheme, the all student were shown in media as a unsocial element. They are only the right, working like a right, but in actually they were working for against a bad scheme in actually, because it was directly affecting their career. In India, nobody wants to do duty for a 4 5 years. They want, yes. In many other cases, like there are many cases, and I think that the Indian media is not work only to work for the government. They have to show the realities of the ground. And in media, you in present media, you will see many times the media is showing political programs, especially the government programs. They in especially the April May, there is very well farming seasons when the farmers used to sell their items in grain market. Nobody want to show, and no reporters goes to that market, that grain market, vegetable market, to show the realities. And in the summer hot season, nobody wants to show the heat wave effect. Many poor and marginalized peoples are affected very badly. They are losing their lives. And in the drainage system, in rainy seasons, many people also suffering. No media is reporting in the street. Every mostly street of the, especially in metro cities, are full of water, clogged water here and there. Yes. And in also in the winter season, due to this winter wave, people affected, nobody want to show the ground reality. They only take their TRP on the most primary. They want to keep, the media houses want to keep this TRP as their primary role. They are they are compromising with their fundamental principle. Yes. And not only in India, especially the media is covering, as already sir discussed, this first top priority is politics, second is Bollywood, third is cricket. Now the little bit is changing, but that is little bit changing. Very gradually, it will take some time. It is not affected on the ground.